up, B? It's the Buzz Buddy. Hey, I'm here to make your day. Put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet. Be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Buzz Buddy!
SummerSweet is the god of the bees. He. Bees go drunk. They are crazy nectar monks. This plant is a shrub. It's the ultimate bee grub. It blooms in the summer. It gets lots of newcomers, the buzzers and the hummers. I'm talking bees. A third of our plate is dependent on these tiny critters. SummerSweet is the god of the bees. He. Bees go drunk. They are crazy nectar monks. This plant has another name, Sweet Pepperbush, and it gets lots of bees, but don't fear, they sting a tush. Unless you try to hurt them or get too close. Bees won't sting you or enter your nose. In fact, it's amazing the way they act. They help us so much through pollination. Without them, we would be a poor nation. Plants are not just for decoration. They serve the pollinators throughout their life duration. When you plant them native, the rate of bees increases. More bees mean more crops at your favorite shops. SummerSweet is the god of the bees. He. Bees go drunk. They are crazy nectar monk. This plant likes the partial sun and sandy soil. It will grow without a toil. It can bloom pink and white. Check out its height, 5 to 7 feet tall. You got that right. So plant this in with the vegetable patch. It will be of great use to multiply your produce. And it smells so nice. People often mistake it for vanilla spice. SummerSweet is the god of the bees. He. Bees go drunk. They are crazy nectar monks.